and welcome back to Erika's Best, where I will bring you the best of the best and more. Well, today we are still in our 25 days of cookie, and you're probably wondering, dang, she's doing some almond cookies. It's because, you know, a couple of months ago I bought this bag, this huge bag of almond flour, and I bought it online. And it was the best price I had ever seen for almond flour, and that's why I got it. But I don't use almond flour that often. So I thought during this 25 days of cookies, I'm going to make almond cookies, several different kind of almond cookies. So that's why you're going to see some more almond cookies, because I have this almond flour and I want to use it because I want to see how versatile it is. So I want to see what different types of cookies I can make. But today, I'm not using the almond flour. I'm pushing it aside for right now. But I am using almonds, sliced almonds, because I'm making Florentines. It is a crisp, caramelly tasting cookie with sliced almonds to use sliced almonds for. So I'm just giving them a little bit of a crunch just to break the pieces down a little bit. And then this whole cookie basically is done on the stovetop. So here in my bowl I have all of my ingredients. I have my sugar, I have my honey, I have my heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to go to the stovetop. I'm going to boil this down, and then once I get it to the right temperature, I'll be back and I'll fold in these almonds and we'll be ready to bake. Alright, so I'll see you in a few. So our Florentine syrup is already ready to go. I'm going to pour in my almonds. Cook them very well. It smells amazing. So now I'm just getting all of the syrup mixed in with the almonds, and then we're going to let this cool for about 15 minutes, because if you were to bake them now, they would just spread all over the place. They wouldn't hold their shape. So because this cookie right here is going to spread out, it's going to be very thin, very crispy, and you want to make sure that you're able to handle the cookie before you start baking. Otherwise it'll be too hot to touch. Like right now it's too hot to touch. The bowl is even very hot. So we're going to set that aside for about 15 minutes. Then we'll come back and bake those off. So we are back with our Florentine dough. And we are going to just scoop some little balls. Scoop some little balls, because these are going to spread a lot. So it's okay to get these finished. They smell amazing. I've seen these done so many times. It's nice to do them myself and to bring it to you. Maybe this is something you've been wanting to see. You've been wanting me to do. So I'm glad I'm able to take this time and do this. Where are you? So because they spread so much, you have to do these in small batches. So that's gonna be about it. These are a little bit big. I think these are a little bit And then just to kind of help them out a little bit, I'm just going to flatten them out. Flatten them out a little bit to help them on their way. Trying to make sure they're all about the same size. At least starting out. Alright. So now I'm going to bake these off. I'm going to get one more in there. One more down here at the bottom. And even if they touch, I can still break them apart. So it's okay if they touch a little bit. They started a little bit. It's a little bit big. Alright, I'm going to go bake these off. They're here on the pan. I'm going to go put these in the oven and bake them, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, our Florentine cookies are out of the oven, and now I'm just giving them their coat of chocolate. Now, if you want your Florentines to be nice and perfect and round, as soon as they come out of the oven and they're still hot, take a cookie cutter, dip it in water, and then cut out the circles so that you have nice, perfect circles. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to leave mine in whatever shape they came out of the oven, and so that's what I have here. So I have beautiful Florentine cookies with their lovely chocolate coat on the back, and this is what they look on the front side. And then this is their back side. So I'm going to taste this one. It's nice and crunchy, full of almonds. You get that caramelly kind of flavor from the honey and the heavy whipping cream, which has butter, that's what you use to make butter, so it has some buttery flavors. So I hope you will try this cookie. It is very good. It's very crunchy, crispy, nutty. If you like nuts, this is going to be a good cookie for you. So I invite you to try that cookie, and I'm going to continue eating that cookie until I see you again on the next video. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So bye for now.